Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the top new deals for next week at Walgreens, which will be the 17th through the 23rd of October. And I have 7 deals for you and a booster scenario for you. I don't have any early activation deals for you because there's one, possibly 2, and one of them has to be done in store only. So I know that that will take a lot of people out of the running for doing that promotion. And then there is an all May makeup deal as well. And I know a lot of stores only carry very limited amount of all May makeup. I also won't be able to do the live on Saturday because I will be going out of town on Friday and Saturday. It was a birthday present that I'm actually able to now use. And my birthday was back in August. And it took this long to be able to get in and do this at it's like a spa type deal. So I'm really excited about that. Also, when I get back Saturday, we will be celebrating my stepdaughter's 14th birthday. So I just will not be able to do that live, unfortunately. So hopefully we will have better deals that we can do for early activation, and I will be free next Saturday. So let's talk about the coupons we are getting. So we are going to be getting one Smart Source, one Save Insert, and one Unilever insert. If you want to know exactly what you're getting in your coupon inserts, you can order them like I do. Or if you live in an area where you don't really get the Save insert a lot, or you don't get it, or you don't get the Unilever insert, then you can order with my link in the description box down below. And she ships them out through FedEx. You usually get them within 2 to 3 days. And you can go on that or through that link as well, and you can preview the inserts that you're getting. There are 2 options right now with shipping for these. You have one with gain and one without gain that you can order from. But, you know, that is just something that I like to share with people. No pressure and all that. So let's talk about the first deal. The first deal is the hair care deal that has been going on all month, where it is spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. If you go on the website and you go to, say, the Dove or the Pantene, and it will show that if it's included in that promotion, it will show spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash underneath the price. And if you click that, it will show you all of the items that are included. So next week, we are going to do this promotion, and we're going to grab 2 of the Pantene Nutrients. They're $7 a piece. And then we're going to grab 2 of the Dove shampoo and conditioners. That's what the S and the C stands for. And those are also buy one, get one 50% off. So one would be $4.99 and one would be $2.49. It does show that we are getting a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Pantene as well as the Dove, but that is also going to be in the Unilever insert as well. Then that's going to bring our total down to $13.48. We'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $8.48 for all 4 bottles of shampoo and conditioner, or $2.12 a piece. But I would strongly suggest that you work that into a spend booster this week if you have one. So if you do it with a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, then your total would be, the final cost would be $3.48 for 4 of them, or just 87 cents a piece. And that is a very good deal, I think. That's definitely a stock up price for sure. So next, there's 2 different Revlon promotions. One Revlon promotion is for the Revlon lip products. They're buy 2, get back a $7 register reward, and they'll be on sale for $7.99. So if there's a lip product that you've been wanting that's $12, $13, definitely get it during this sale, because $7.99 is a good it's a good decrease in price. So then you're going to grab 2 of those at $7.99 a piece. You're going to use one $3 off Revlon lip digital and one $3 off lip insert coupon from the 1010 Smart Source. You'll pay $9.98, get back a $7 register reward, making the cost of both of them just $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. And I think that's a really good deal, and I love a lot of the Revlon lip products. So then the next promotion for the Revlon is the other Revlon cosmetics as well as Almay, cosmetics and eye tools. So these are buy 2, get back a $5 register reward, and my store still has tons of clearance. And I've been to probably about 4 other stores in my area. They also have a lot of clearance as well. So you want to pair that with a high value digital coupon that if you haven't used it yet, you definitely want to use it this week. So you're going to pick up 2 of those for $10.98. You're going to use that 9 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $1.98 but get back a $5 register reward, making it free and a $3.02 moneymaker. And if you don't use the Candid Glow or like the Candid Concealer, you can definitely donate them to a women's shelter, or you can sell them in a stockpile or give them away as gifts. You definitely don't have to hang on to them if it's not your jam to have that type of makeup. So definitely a good deal. So next we're going to do some deals of the week. I have 2 different scenarios here. So one of them is the Dove body wash. We have a mix and match of buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. We're just going to stick with the Dove body wash on this slide here. So you'll buy 2 at $7 a piece, so that'll equal $14. We're getting at $2.50 off of 1 Dove body wash coupons in the October, oh my goodness, October Unilever insert. And we normally only get $1 coupons, so that's definitely high value for Dove. And it is a limit of 2, so you can use 2 in a transaction. So if you haven't ordered inserts before, this might be the week to do it if Dove is something that you really love. So then that's going to bring our total down to $9. We will get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making the final total for both of them $5 or $2.50 a piece. I'm definitely going to be doing this a few times next week. I will be doing it in my Walgreens video, pairing it with the spend booster that I have. So next week we also are going to have the promotion with Tide, Downy, and Bounce, where you buy 3 and you get 1 free, and they will be $4.49 a piece. And I'm going to grab 2 Tide Liquid and 2 Tide Pods. Now, with this promotion, say you have the coupons for the Tide, the Downy, and the Bounce, and you don't have a coupon, say, for the sheets, then the sheets are going to be the last thing that you have scanned. So that way, that will ring up as your free item. So the 4 items will equal out to $13.47. I'm going to use 2 $1 off Tide Liquid coupons, one from the October P&G and one printed from pggoodeveryday.com. Then I'm going to use 1 $1 off Tide Pod insert coupon from the October P&G. Since I'm only using 1 Tide Pod coupon, then the other bag of Tide Pods that won't have a coupon, that one will be rung up last. That way, that's the free item. And all of my coupons attached, and everything works great. So then that will bring your total down to $10.47 for 4 items, or $2.61 a piece, which is okay, especially since our coupons are only $1 right now. But definitely, it's up to you how you want to utilize this promotion. So next we're going to talk about a couple of oral care deals. Excuse me, I'm having some issues talking today. So first we're going to get the Colgate Max, and I'm just going with the safe route because that's what's pictured. They're buy 2, get back a $4 register reward, and they're buy 2 at $2.99 a piece. So grab 2 of those. You're going to use a 2 off 2 Colgate coupon that is coming in the 1017 Smart Source. That would bring your total down to $3.98. You'll get back a $4 register reward, making them free. Now, I don't know what other items will be included just because it's only that item pictured, so I don't know if it'll include toothbrushes or anything like that. And the reason why this isn't going to double dip with, say, this week's Colgate promotion is because they're both register reward promotions, and those will not ever double dip. They won't ever double dip because the register rewards do not ever print early and they don't ever print late. So that's one rule of thumb with early activation, is when it's both register rewards, it does not work. So on to the next oral care deal. So the next thing I'm going to grab is some mouthwash. They're part of the promotion where you buy 2, you get back $4 in Walgreens cash. You can mix and match this with the body wash if you want, or with the Axe. But for 2 things of mouthwash, they're going to be $4 a piece, so that'll equal $8. You're going to use 2 $1 off coupons from the October P&G. You would pay $6. You would get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making them both just $2 or $1 a piece. And I think that's a really good deal because the size of the bottles of that mouthwash is actually a really decent size. And you can use Walgreens cash on this promotion. Any one of these items that you do as a buy two, get back four, you can use Walgreens cash. So next I'm going to talk about a spend booster. That's spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. We're going to build up our transaction and we're going to use our coupons as our cash. That way we will have a really low out-of-pocket but still get a really low cost of items. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab 2 of the Dove body wash at $7 a piece. We're going to grab 2 of the Candid Glow foundations at $5.49 a piece. We're going to grab 2 of the Colgate mouthwash at $4 a piece. We're going to grab 2 Colgate Max at $2.99 a piece. And then I'm going to grab 2 cans of the Swanson broth. They are on sale for 59 cents a piece next week. And we're going to need those to just boost us up a little bit more so that this will all work out beautifully. So that's going to bring our total to $40.14. We're going to use two $2.50 off of 1 Dove Body Wash coupons. We're going to use that 9 off of 2 Revlon digital coupon. We're going to use $2 off Crest mouthwash coupons and 2 off of 2 Colgate insert coupon. That's going to bring our total down to $22.14. We will be able to use $20 in Walgreens cash to help lower our out-of-pocket because we are going to have $18 in coupons. So then we only need to pay $2 out of our own pocket so that we can use Walgreens cash. So we will use $20 in Walgreens cash. We will pay $2.14 out of our own pockets. We will get back $13 in Walgreens cash, $4 for the Crest, $4 for the Dove, and $5 for the Spend Booster, and we'll get $9 worth in register rewards, $5 for the Revlon, and $4 for the Colgate. So that will bring our final total down to 14 cents for 10 items. I think that's pretty good, but we didn't have to spend $22.14 out of our own pocket to get that. We only had to spend $2. So what I'm going to do in the next slide, I'm going to try to break it down for you a little bit so you can understand exactly what I'm talking about in this type of situation with building up your scenarios. So our total for our transaction is going to be $40.14. We are going to be using $18 worth in coupons to lower our out-of-pocket. So that's going to bring our total to $22.14. Now, when I'm trying to figure this out to where I can use Walgreens cash with this type of scenario, I always start with $20. I always start with $20 to see if that will work first. So at first, before I added the Swanson's broth, I was at I think I was at just under 20 bucks. I really was. I think I was at $18 and some change. So I knew that if I tried to use $20 in Walgreens cash, number one, my total wasn't high enough to use that amount. And number two, I would not have met the $20 threshold. I was at like $18 and then like 96 cents between the cash and the coupons. So I thought I'm going to add something really cheap, and I seen the Swanson broth that caught my eye. So I added that in there, and that brought my total down after coupons to $22.14. Then after taking off the $20 in Walgreens cash, I could see that yes, I could use that $20 and still get back my $5 in Walgreens cash with that digital booster. So the next line is $18 in coupons plus $2.14 in cash equals $20.14, which means I'm over the $20 mark and I can use Walgreens cash to help pay my total down and my out-of-pocket is lower. So I hope that that makes sense. I do need to make a dedicated video for this. That way I can reference to it and help you guys out more. But anyways, that is really all I have. So I hope this video was helpful. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I will, I forgot one thing. There is a Google Doc down in the description box to help you out as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.